You think you know when it happened. Maybe it was that one conversation that just flowed, or that night where everything felt different, or the moment you made her laugh so hard she grabbed your arm without thinking. You've been replaying it, convinced that was the moment. It wasn't. The moment she actually decided she wanted you happened when you weren't even trying, and there's a very specific reason for that. We've been sold this idea that attraction is built through grand moments, the perfect thing you said, the right move at the right time. But that's not how it works inside her head. Women don't decide in moments of peak excitement. They decide in moments of quiet observation, when you don't know you're being watched, when you're not performing, when you're just existing. And what she sees in those unguarded moments tells her everything the curated version of you never could. Point 1. She decided when you walked away. Not literally walked away, but the first time you showed her that you had somewhere else to be, something else that mattered, a life that didn't pause the moment she entered it. See, most guys make one critical mistake early on. They make her the most interesting thing in the room, and she feels that. It's not flattering. It's pressure. But the guy who's genuinely engaged in something else, who gives her attention and then returns to his own world, that guy creates a pull she can't quite explain. She starts wondering about him before she even realizes she's doing it. Point 2. She decided when you disagreed with her. Not argued, not fought, just held your ground on something, calmly, without needing her to agree. This is the moment most guys throw away without even knowing it. She says something, you sense she wants validation, and you give it to her even though you don't mean it. She smiles, but something registers internally. This guy adjusts himself for my approval. And that registration is quiet, but permanent. The guy who says, "Actually, I see it differently," with zero aggression and zero need for her to come around, that guy just became genuinely interesting to her, because he's the first one in a while who didn't perform for her. Point 3. She decided when you didn't react the way she expected. Every woman, consciously or not, runs small tests. She cancels last minute to see if you spiral. She goes quiet for a day to see if you flood her phone. She mentions another guy to see if your face changes. And most guys fail these tests not because they're weak, but because they don't even know they're being tested. The guy who responds to a last-minute cancel with, "No worries, let me know when you're free," and then genuinely moves on with his evening, that guy just passed something she didn't even tell him he was being graded on. She noticed. She always notices. The moment she decided she wanted you wasn't in a conversation you rehearsed. It wasn't in a line you delivered perfectly. It was in a quiet moment where you were completely and fully yourself, with no performance underneath it, no agenda, no outcome you were desperate for. Just a man who was grounded enough to not need anything from her in that moment. That's what she decided on. Not your words. You. Now, most guys understand this in theory, but the second they're actually in front of her, something shifts. The groundedness disappears, the performance comes back, and everything built gets quietly undone. The next video is specifically about why that happens and exactly how to stop it. If you've ever felt yourself change the moment she walks into the room, you already know that's the one you need.